Hey guys, how are you all? My name is Siddharth and welcome back to another video of Techno Legends. So guys, in today's episode, I'm going to continue my JavaScript tutorial in which I am going to tell you about the introduction to Visual Studio Code and the introduction to matter.js and some type of the intro to the JavaScript. So guys, in this episode, I am going to give you the intro of Visual Studio Code and matter.js mainly. So let's start with that today's task. So guys, here I am on my screen and yeah, let me see. Okay, then size. So notifications are running. Sorry for that. Yeah. So guys, here I am on my screen and this is the link of codevisualstudio.com and I'm going to provide this link in the description, so you can go from there, and after that you have to click on download for Windows and it will take you this page, and after a break of a time it will start a download. I'm going to cancel it for now as I have did it, and after running it on a system you can use it. Okay guys, so for using it I'm going to create a folder here. Yeah, okay, so I'm going to create a folder here with the name of Java script, with the name of Java script tutorial. Okay guys, so for opening it I have to right click on it, and it will provide me an option of open with code. I am going to click on it and after a break of time it will open. So guys, my VS code is being opened and I am going to click on new file here, and I am going to make a file with the name of index. Okay, sorry, yeah, it's been typed, yes, index.html. yeah, done. After click on here it will take a time and my line is loading here, and yes, you can see running file create participants. And guys, it will take some time to create one file, but after of break it will create all the files as fast as possible. Okay, so it will do. And guys, you can see my index.html is being created, and if I am giving an exclamation mark here, it is giving me a emit of exclamation mark of boilerplate. If I am typing here, it will take me to the boilerplate code, and here I am going to type here tutorial. Okay guys, and what are the emits? I am going to tell you by the Google, as I am going to take the help of Google as it's a good source of information. I am going to do right here emits of VS code, and I'm going to press enter here, and emits in Visual Studio Code. This I'm going to provide this website too in the description, so you can check it from there and you can explore it, and you can see the emits, and it will give you emits are some types of the shortcut which help us to complete our code easy and fast. Okay, for example, if I'm typing here a div, yeah, if I'm typing a div, so you can see even more emit is coming here, div, so it will complete my code directly. And what is this code? Boilerplate code is a code which is a basic code which has been written to start with our work. Okay, and this is the title, and forgot these things, as in today's episode I am only going to tell you about the introduction to JavaScript. And this is sketch.js only, and I'm going to write here sketch.js. Okay guys, so sketch.js, here I am going to make two functions, which is a simple thing I have did in last episode too. I am going to make a function setup and function setup here, and there is no emit for writing the complete boilerplate code of JavaScript, so we have to type it manually, but it's a small code only, so we can type it easily. I am going to type here function draw and enter, and this. So our function is being created. I am going to make a canvas here, create canvas. Okay, canvas, sorry, canvas, and I am going to write here with the size 400, and I am going to tell you a type of a thing, live server, which will help you to make you live, and you can easily check your code, response of your code. Okay guys, and as you all know, in my one more video I told you about 200 okay by which we can go live and we can check our response, but with live server 2 we can go through it, and all these options are the options with the extensions, and we are going to click on this extensions option, and here we are going to type here live server, and here it will give me an option of this live server. I am going to click on it, and I have already installed it. You can install it from here so that it will provide you if you are going on index.html, it will provide you option of go live. It will start and 5500 port will be started, and after a break of time it will take you to the port, and you can see my port is being created. The title is tutorial, as I have give the tutorial. And the benefit of this server is that if I am writing here tutorial JS, and if I am saving it, I don't have to refresh. It will directly take my response, and then 200 okay, we have to refresh it, and we are just tap on refresh, and it will consume our time. Okay guys, and now what are matter.js? I am going to tell you about matter.js. So guys, it is a good source of information. I am going to tell you about this. matter.js, and this is the official site of matter.js. I am going to provide this link in the description, so you can go and check it there. And the matter.js is type of a JS file which help us to get a reality, means एक जान ले आती है हमारे प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर, and it gives us a real thing in our projects, and उसमें मतलब धीरे धीरे आराम से लुढ़कता है, गिरता है, इस तरीके से. We are going to use this, and it's a very helpful thing for us, as there are many of the files which gives us a physics engine option, as matter.js is 2D physics engine for the web. Okay guys, and I am going to use this, and I am going to take it to my file, the JavaScript tutorial file, and I am going to open my any of the project here. For example, this project, I am going to copy this matter.js from here, and I am going to paste it here, and I am going to close this to here from here. And if I am going to here, matter.js is here, and yeah, I have to create the canvas. So for that I am going to do script src thing, which is the type of thing in which I am going to call my file. So I am going to call the matter.js, and here I am going to call my sketch.js. okay guys, so this is the sketch.js, and this is matter.js, and if I am saving here, and if I am going to my response, it will not give me any response, as it's now not that much, means I have not edited the code, and so I will not get any of the response. Okay guys, and now if I am moving back to sketch.js here, and in sketch.js I am going to type here, and I have to add all the properties of matter.js so that I can use it. And I am going to use the const data type. I have already explained in my last video, so you can check it from there. Some type of data types are there which are const, variables, and let. So I am going to use const here, and I am going to type const like this. I am going to type here and if you like this video, hit the like button, share the video, subscribe my channel, complete my 50 subscriber, join my Discord server, link in the description. Please check the description box, there are many of the helpful link there. And till that, bye bye, and thanks for watching.